Char.
Then,
Wala pa.
Caballero.
What?
George. Garay Junior. Joel Eric Anton. Daniel Dabalos. Si Albert Joshua Abiliana. Si Chris Von Mag-Aso. Michael
kami na maganda.
Okay, this time, we're gonna give the awards for that exercise.
You didn't know that Ate and Kuya is been observing you since yesterday. So, this is your award.
Super Kulit Award goes to AJ! Most Attentive Award goes to AJ again! Always Smiling Award goes to Trisha! Mahiyain Award goes to Denden! Most Friendly Award goes to Lai! Another Super Kulit Award goes to B-Boy! Maingay Award goes to Michael! Sip Sip kay Ate Award goes to JB! Pakut Award goes to JJ!
Nag-toilet
Wala.
Okay. Sip Sip kay Kuya Award goes to Justin!
Me and Kuya Carlo, nag-usap po kami kanina about sa, kasi mga atis and kuyas, they've been really like supportive to the kids and they've been there to like really help them and then they're always on their side. So we let the kids pick their most favorite kuya and most favorite ate. So the most favorite kuya award goes to
Most favorite Kuya Award goes to Kuya.
Okay, the most favorite ate award goes to